Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account information on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and here as you see you will find account information. Click on it and that's it. Here you find your account information on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.